my God! English-speaking kids!
Let's explore the space and space vocabulary, like satellite, orbit, rocket, planet, star, astronaut. Wow, let's explore. This is a solar system. Solar system, sun at center, planets and moons orbit together, traveling through vast space like a cosmic family. This is the International Space Station. Large orbiting laboratory where astronauts from many countries work researching science and technology everywhere. This is the launch pad. Special ground platform where rockets stand fueled, prepared, then launched into space missions successfully everywhere. This is the lunar eclipse. Earth blocks sunlight casting shadow on moon, causing it appear dark red, sometimes beautifully everywhere. This is the Mars rover. Second robotic explorer studying Mars soil rocks, searching evidence past water life clues actively everywhere. This is the moon. Earth's natural satellite controlling tides, showing phases, visited by astronauts exploring surface previously historic everywhere. This is Uranus. Ice giant planet rotating sideways, pale blue color, faint rings, extremely cold atmosphere conditions everywhere. This is Venus. Hot, brightest planet with toxic, thick atmosphere clouds. Volcanoes surface hotter than Mercury significantly everywhere. This is a rocket. Powerful spacecraft using engines to launch from Earth, travel space, carrying satellites, astronauts' missions everywhere. This is a satellite. Object orbiting planet or star, collecting data, enabling communication, navigation, scientific research globally everywhere. This is a shooting star. Bright streak in night sky caused by tiny space rock burning entering Earth atmosphere fast. This is a solar eclipse. Moon blocks sun perfectly from Earth perspective. Day briefly darkens, creating spectacular, stunning sight everywhere. This is a space shuttle, reusable spacecraft carrying astronauts, satellites, experiments between Earth and orbit, returning safely back everywhere. This is a space station. Habitable structure orbiting Earth where astronauts live, work, research microgravity science, daily continuously everywhere. This is a space suit. Protective suit enabling astronauts breathe, move, survive in space's vacuum and dangerous temperature extremes everywhere. This is a star. Massive burning sphere of hot gases producing light and heat through nuclear fusion reactions everywhere. This is a sun. Closest star to Earth, providing heat, light, life energy, driving weather, climate, supporting growth everywhere. This is a supernova. Powerful star explosion releasing incredible energy, creating heavy elements, leaving remnants like neutron stars everywhere. This is a telescope. Instrument magnifying distant objects, helping astronomers observe stars, planets, and galaxies across universe everywhere. This is a white dwarf. Small, dense stellar remnant remaining after star collapses. Incredibly hot, slowly cooling over time everywhere. This is an astronaut. Trained space traveler conducting missions, experiments, maintenance while living in microgravity aboard spacecraft everywhere. This is an orbit. Curved path object follows around planet or star due to gravity keeping motion balanced continuously everywhere. This is a constellation. Group of stars forming recognizable patterns in night sky, used for navigation stories, ancient civilizations everywhere. This is a black hole, powerful gravity region where matter collapses, allowing nothing, including light, to escape its grasp forever. This is a comet, icy object orbiting sun, forming glowing tail when sunlight heats gases and dust while traveling. This is a Mars rover, robotic vehicle exploring Mars' surface, taking pictures, studying rocks, and searching potential signs of life. This is a meteor shower. Many meteors streaking across night sky caused by Earth passing through comet debris trails everywhere. This is a meteorite. Rock from space surviving fiery atmosphere entry, landing on ground as solid remains safely everywhere. This is a nebula. Giant colorful cloud of gas and dust, where new stars and planets slowly form together. This is a planet. Large round object orbiting a star, clearing its path, maintaining gravity, supporting environments possibly everywhere. This is Jupiter. Largest planet in solar system, gas giant with great red spots, swirling storm constantly everywhere. This is Mars. Red planet with dusty surface, thin atmosphere, volcanoes, possible ancient water signs discovered there everywhere. This is Mercury. Smallest planet orbiting sun closest, extreme temperatures, cratered surface resembling Earth's moon, somewhat everywhere. This is Neptune. Distant blue ice giant planet with strong winds, storms, faint rings orbiting very far everywhere. This is Pluto. Small icy world in Kuiper Belt, formerly planet, heart-shaped region and moon Charon everywhere. This is Saturn, the gas giant known for beautiful rings made from ice rocks orbiting around fast-spinning planet everywhere. This is the Earth, our home planet with air, water, life, orbiting sun, supporting diverse ecosystems continuously around everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe OMG English Speaking Kids for more fun. See you in next video. Goodbye.